Imagine stumbling upon a tiny, centuries-old treasure hidden in the nooks of a Cotswolds home, only to discover it's worth a staggering £18,000. That's exactly what happened when a rare 18th-century microscope, originally valued at just £800 to £1,200, sold for 15 times its estimate at auction. But here's where it gets fascinating. This isn't just any microscope. Attributed to Scottish maker John Clark, it's a relic of a time when science was the ultimate status symbol, owned by the wealthy elite who fancied themselves amateur naturalists. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just its age that makes it special, but its connection to a golden era of scientific curiosity, when figures like Erasmus Darwin were pushing the boundaries of knowledge. Adrian Rathbone, Associate Director at Kinghams Auctioneers in Moreton and Marsh, Gloucestershire, called it a once-in-a-lifetime find, comparing it to similar pieces held at the Smithsonian Institution in Washington, D.C. "You never know what's going to walk through the door," Rathbone said, "but when it's something this rare, it's pure joy." But here's the controversial bit. While the microscope's historical value is undeniable, some might argue that its astronomical sale price reflects more about today's collector market than its intrinsic worth. After all, is a scientific instrument truly priceless, or is it just the story we attach to it? The UK-based collector who snapped it up will surely treasure it. But what do you think? Is this a fair price for a piece of history, or has the market gone mad? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your take. Follow BBC Gloucestershire on Facebook, X, and Instagram for more stories like this, and send your tips our way via email or WhatsApp on 0800 313 4630.